We're embarking on a $42 million expansion of our facility. We're going to be expanding everything from the sales, marketing, and service offices all the way out to factory and the servicing that we do on the boat. So it's a complete expansion of the business.
Look right behind me. I have never seen another boat manufacturer do anything like that. That speaks well for the integrity of its product, that speaks well for the strength of its product. By having Boston Whaler anchored here in Edgewater itself, that is a selling point. You're talking about a worldwide brand that's well known, it's established all over the place, and when I tell people Boston Whaler is located in Edgewater, it makes them sit up and take notice. It puts us on the map.
Boston Whaler is one of our larger employers in Volusia County, and we're very fortunate that it's in southeast Volusia County.
They are one of our largest annual corporate sponsors. They are at the table with fabulous ideas. Their growth, their added jobs and benefits has meant the world to the Southeast Volusia Chamber of Commerce, and we would like to thank Boston Whaler and all of their team, because I do know it takes a team, and we are glad to have them aboard our team.
We have a culture at Boston Whaler of passion, of involvement, of safety, of innovation, and all that cannot be done in isolation of just our 900 or so employees. That involves a larger community.
So I joined Boston Whaler in April of '97 as a purchasing manager, and this will be our second large expansion within my time frame as the Vice President of Operations.
Well, this is a legend that's lived on for 60 years. It's one of the best known brands in the marine industry, and we want to continue to grow that together.